Your iPhone has a fancy feature to help prevent motion sickness. Now, motion sickness happens when your body receives input from usually your inner ear that senses motion, but you're looking at something stationary. So there's a conflict in the signals. For example, when you're driving a car, your body can feel the car moving and turning, but if you're reading a book in a car, your eyes don't see the same movement because you're looking at a stationary book. That confusion can cause nausea, and that's motion sickness. There's a cool feature if you're using your iPhone while doing this, because just like a book, an iPhone is stationary and not moving. But you can have dots on the screen that move in the same motion that the car moves while you're using your iPhone in your car. It sounds weird, but it might be worth a try if you get motion sick. To turn this on, go to the settings, go down to accessibility, go to motion. The vehicle motion cues, that's the feature that allows this to happen. There's more information about it here. Dots appear near the edges of your phone screen and they follow the movement of the vehicle and may help reduce motion sickness, which essentially is giving your eyes movement feedback that your body's feeling. And so that could possibly reduce motion sickness. They have to use the word may reduce it so they avoid lawsuits because they can't guarantee it. But this might help some people. It's worth a try if you get motion sick in a car. You can tap on Learn More here for some more information about it. Here it shows an example. When the vehicle turns, dots move side to side on the screen. So you get a visual cue for what your body's feeling and hopefully reduce motion sickness. When the vehicle changes speed, the dots move forward and backward. And those dots can be defined or customized if we tap on Vehicle Motion Cues. We can have this on all the time, so you can see the dots on the sides of the screen or the edge of the screen. As I move my phone, these dots will move, but I have to move it pretty violently. Like easy, simple movements don't do anything. Well, they do a little bit. But I'm just going back and forth, essentially. If I go like that, it didn't do anything. But the more violent I go, the crazier the dots are on the screen. We don't want crazy dots, of course. We want the dots to mimic the motion of the car, which I can't really do on my desk. I have this set to automatically in vehicle. You can also customize the appearance. You can make them dynamic, which is more entertaining to watch, or regular, which is more of a standard linear motion, I think. You can pick a color for the dots. You can make the dots large, and you can have fewer or more, depending on what you want. So you can set these settings how you want to set them up. Now you can see if this reduces motion sickness while driving in a car or on a bus or something like that. And if you find that your iPhone's battery is dying faster than you think it should, check out this video right here, which shows you a bunch of different ways to conserve battery and make your battery last longer. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and then I'll see you on this one.